Thank you so much, Mitchell, for coming up here and really knocking out that lower deck. It was a lot of fun hanging out with the kids, the grandkids. Alan wished that he could have stayed and helped out more, but he had other commitments down in Opelika and he had to get back home. That's totally understandable. It doesn't make you a bad person. Hell, it was nice of you to show up here. You got some great drone footage. Got some great drone video for us. And the kids always love to see you. And of course, you know, we're buds. It's all good. This video is going to show you why I went out there to get Mickey. Thank you so much, Mitchell. I just really appreciate it. And you and Kris really did a bang-up job. And it was more helpful to us than you could probably ever imagine. Love, peace, and chicken grease. Gunny J out.